you going? Yes, sir. Come on, you got it. Go. Good job off the curve. Good job. Keep going. I tried to get him to wear his helmet. He didn't want to, so I ain't forced him to. As long as he keeps on the 2 miles, we're good. Don't go off the curve. You done already? You want to stand back and look at it? Whoa. What's wrong? That's not stuck. You turned it off.